Hey guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Video channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video, we are going to see how to apply for fertilizer insecticide manufacturing license in Odisha. The link I'm highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, it will be directly go to this page. So now, please scroll down. So under registration, you have to enter all the details if you are a new user. Enter your applicant name, PAN number, email ID, mobile number, select the district, select the block, village, plot number, PIN code, select the gender, password, confirm password, along with the captcha code. Then click on the register button. Now click on the login button. So in the login section, you have to enter your username, password along with the captcha code and click on the login button. So after login, you have to click on the insecticide menu. Under the dealer section, please click on the apply for e-license option on the left side of the page. Read all the instructions and click on the next button. Complete the registration details and then click on the next button. Complete the technical personal details and then click the next tab. Then you have to complete the store point address details and click the next tab. Now you have to select the available manufacturer from the drop down list. Then select the products based on the selection. The fee will be charged. Then click on the next button. To attach the files, you have to click on the choose file option to upload them and then click the upload button. Now preview the details and enter and click on the checkbox under the self-declaration. Now click on the apply button. Your pop-up box will general instruction will appear. Please read carefully and proceed accordingly and then click on the OK button. Once the license is ready, it is notified in the dashboard. The user can download it by clicking on download the option. Then there are the required documents of detailed information and the office and location section provided by the departments and contact details that need to be approached for this process. Then fee section, so you have to be paid for your 2,000 for every insecticide and maximum of rupees 20,000 for all insecticide. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us so we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.